Your head, sir. It's all wobbly. What are you doing, Emery? Hey, bud. Hi. How you doing? Can you sit up? Oh, it's too hard, huh? Oh, look at your leg. You okay? Yeah, I see your tail. Can you get up, bud? Look at your feet. Can you get up? Yes, I can. It's not easy. And I want to go back down, please. Thank you. What are you doing, sir? Hi. You squishy? Hey, how you doing? You okay? Good boy. Can I open your mouth? I can. Okay. That's Auntie Jen texting Mom back. Let's see what Auntie Jen says. What are you looking at, sir? What are you doing with your back leg? Hi, squishy, squishy, squishy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you get up? Can you come here, Bubba? Can you do it? Oh, yes, you can. Good boy. Let's get the hallway light on, huh? What are you doing? Good boy. Head down I go. I don't want to move. Come on, Bubba. What are you doing? Come on. Let's get up. What are you doing? Good boy. Oh, again with the no light. Ah, dancey, dancey, puppy, 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 puppy. What are you doing? Hi, hi, sir. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, yes, you are. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, come on. Alright, is it better? Look better now? Hand down.